Vegan spaghetti is a vegan strict vegetarian variation of spaghetti, a representative Italian dish that does not contain any animal-derived ingredients. Vegan spaghetti recipes are created with a focus on nutritional balance and taste, using plant-based ingredients. There are various variations for the ingredients and sauce, but here, I will introduce the basic vegan spaghetti ingredients and cooking method. Ingredients: 200 grams of spaghetti, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 400 grams of tomato sauce, 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 celery stalk, salt to taste, pepper to taste, basil to taste, vegan Parmesan cheese. Optional instructions: prepare the vegetables. Finely chop the onion, garlic, carrot, and celery. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and onion, and sauté until softened. Add the carrot and celery, and cook until the vegetables are tender. Add the tomato sauce, and season with salt and pepper. Simmer over low heat for about 15 minutes. In a separate pot, bring plenty of water to a boil. Add salt, and cook the spaghetti. Once cooked, combine with the sauce. Serve on a plate, and garnish with basil and vegan Parmesan cheese to taste, if desired. This basic vegan spaghetti recipe can be customized to your liking by adjusting the ingredients and sauce. For example, you can enjoy a variety of vegan spaghetti dishes by adding vegetables or mushrooms, using vegan meat, or topping with nuts or olives.